Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Let's analyze this share Hindustan Unilever. First of all, let's see the swing high and swing low of Hindustan Unilever. This was swing low and this was swing high of Hindustan Unilever, and the stock is currently trading between zero point 0.5 and zero point 0.6 level of Fibonacci. Okay, so how you should trade this stock tomorrow, or how we should trade this stock in our swing positions or in our intraday positions. Let's analyze this. So first of all, let's see, this was swing low, this was swing high. Okay, the stock went down, took support from 0.236 level, and it actually made a high of 0.786. Okay, and in between them the stock took resistance in 0.618 and took support from 0.382 levels. Okay, twice. Hmm. Now what? Now what is this stock doing? The stock is actually trading between 2185 and 2200 level to 2130 level. Okay, so this region actually is acting as a support for this stock, or you can even make it like this. Okay, so this level is acting as a support for this stock. Okay, and this region is acting as a resistance, but today's closing is actually bullish for this stock. And see, from the past 4 5 6 days the stock is actually trading in sideways pattern. Okay, and in intraday, let's see what the stock is doing. Okay, the stock has actually made a resistance for itself of this. Okay, 2199. Okay, and the stock today has managed to close around 2200 level. Okay, what can happen tomorrow, or how we should trade this stock tomorrow? Let's see. Let us suppose this is the resistance line for tomorrow. Okay, this region will act as a resistance for this stock. Okay, and the stock, as soon as the stock will go above 2215 16 17 rupees. Okay, then you will clearly be able to see the target of what? Target of you can say this swing high and swing low. Okay, what will be the target? As soon as the stock will go above 2217 18 rupees, we can clearly see the target of 2258 in swing positions or in coming sessions. But remember, 2217.75 will act as a resistance for this stock. Okay, it will be a good sort of a resistance, and if the stock manages to close above 2216 2217 rupees, and if it sustains above 2217 2218 level, then only we will consider buying this stock either in the first half. If it goes in the first half, then first half I mean to say before 930 935 940, if the stock goes above 2200 and 18 19 rupees, then only we will consider buying this stock with the stop loss of 2190, or you can say 2195. But the stock must not go below this but the stock must not go below 21,000 2100 and 95 96 rupees. Okay, why 2200 2195? Because 2195 will act as a psychological balance and support for this stock. If the stock manages to go below 2195, then it will soon turn bearish and will try to retest 2165 again. Okay, if it crosses 2200 and 16 17 18 rupees with good volumes, then we will consider buying this stock for the target of 2256 57 rupees on intraday basis. And one more thing, if the stock gives a breakout in second half, say after 12:30 p.m., then also we will consider buying this stock for easy 30 40 points. Okay, thank you for watching.